Yeah, them have to learn from the best, you know. Yo, in them times still, you know, when you're a Gallis, you know, you have to know how to approach a girl. Zin, because when you step to a girl, you have to have the right word them to say. Zin, you can't just go step to a girl and say, why? Baby, more, you know, you have to give her some words where capture. Step to a girl and say, baby, you know, I admire about you. She can say, what? I say, you know, say, I admire your intellectual capability and your outstanding performance. I say, you're like an oasis in the desert part of my life. And a fascinating young lady in the fertile parts. You see me? So a girl have to tell you, say, oh, you're more sweetie. You see me? When you have to step to girl, man, you have to step to girl with confidence. Me no step to girl and plan for fail. Anyone see a girl in a party, I step to her. Even I drink all a jag and I'm say, yo, I want a girl. Man bet me all the while and lose, you know. Cause them say, yo, what about you so? Make a girl like you. I say, yo, you have a special, you have a born, well gifted. Me and my brethren in their country. And he say, Andrew Black, you talk about you, oh, you're the Gallis king. I say, yeah, if I see a girl I'm like her, I can get her. He must say, prove it. I say, oh, I have to under 2 Magnum first. He must say, alright, me I go buy you the Magnum and I go show you the girl. Man say, alright. Drink the first Magnum. He must say, go on now. I say, yo, I'm not ready to know. I have to warm up first. Man say, alright. 1 more Magnum here. I say, alright, where the girl there? He must say, see that girl over there, so she more you go for. I say, alright. Drink the Magnum, turn to me and I step over to her. I say, my girl, you hear me? You know, say somebody bet me, so I can't get you. Yeah, but you can't get me. I say, yo, just pretend, man. Just go and smile. So we had to talk and I say, but still, no, me see and like you already, you know. And she say, but she say, you don't bet for me already. I say, yeah. Because you're special, I want you. She said, alright, here what? May I go talk? I never talk and my boy, see me step over with her, go one side and I start tell her the things them. She asked me where I come from, I say, you know, sir, Kingston I come from. She said, be a gunman there, Kingston, and she don't want no Kingston, man. I said, no, man, everything good, man. Everything Gucci. She said, alright. The man did watch me, you know. I said, alright, watch this now. I said, John Obi, here we are going. Where you drink? I said, she not drink nothing, she good. I said, sure? She said, yeah. I said, alright, here, I'm going to buy something still now. Buy a Malta Fiar. And she said, I never want nothing. Buy a next Magnum for myself. 2 toes of the man that see me, me and her. Walk go one side and start play close up and start tell her some things. I say, yo, you're nice, you know. You see me? But say everything brought in the alphabetical order. You see me? So I say, I can't rearrange the alphabet and put me and you together. She said, no, I'm sorry, I put you and I together. You see me? She said, oh, your mouth sweetie. I say, I ain't no taste it yet. She said, alright, here one. Give me your number, me call you. I said, no, you give me your number, because you must call me. She said, alright. Give me her number. So my boy called me and saying, ready? So I say, yo, I'm ready, you know. So I go do. Give me a hug, no. She said, alright, give her a hug. She said, boy, you know, you seem like somebody nice to talk to. I say, yeah, man, I'm a good person, man. Capture easy. When I go away, kissing see me and I kiss. I say, Jano, I say, you don't get the number. I say, yeah, man, I get the number. I'm sure the number, man. 2 toes when him that town and she that thinks he come a town. Me and her roll. Me and him do road. Every time me and him do road, the man get jealous off of me. I say, Jano, brother, enter a girl like me. The man say, oh, don't talk to him, you know, him no want nobody. I say, oh, the man I tell the girl, regular. But then at the pen, every girl come on one bar. A man always there to tell the girl, him say, yo, don't talk to that youth there, you know. He's not a good youth. He use woman. So it's when they tell the girl them that. Girl them say, oh, me no want them Monday then. It's when they see me, different thing. You see me? Because when them see me, I start talk to them, them say, so how you say that? Them say he's a bad person. And I say, them say so, and me say so. Girl come at work, start working at the area. If I talk to her one time, my man say, yo, don't talk to the youth there, you know. I water down your thing. Him have sex with every girl, boy, yeah. So when they tell the girl that, them feel like something bad, them tell the girl say, every girl, boy, yeah. Me want to know what about him, so. Because must be a reason make every girl want him. Or him touch every girl. So when we go to them say, yo, them tell me, them want me, boy, you know. I say, me know you ever get that. They must want you about me, I mean name, you know. People say, yo, don't talk to him. And when they look at me and the girl that, yes, some girl, oh, me no want them dirty boy there. Man can tell you. Me no want them dirty boy there. Oh, them boy they walk and chat, girl, and twos of my yard them there. You see me? So, me now watch no man say. Me are the Gallis thing. Man come to me and say, Angel Blacks, oh, you get that girl there? I say, alright, I'm going to tell you what to do. Don't go to no girl and tell him the foolishness. You see me? You have to go to a girl and approach her the right way. Always make a girl smile. Keep a smile upon a girl's face. You see me? Girl like being happy. Girl no like sad. Girl no like man where love bright up themselves and brawling and disrespect them. They don't like man where kick them down. They don't like man where box them down. Approach them. Tell them be a compliment. All when a fairy tale. Tell them say you want carry them on Cloud9 go have dinner. Make Angel serve you champagne. Them thing they tell. They must say, ooh, them thing they tell people girl pick them and check them up on. No, I have to tell them, man. You see me? Daya, when you look at a girl, you know, you have to smooth. I tell enough man to not clothes. And a car and anything there. Woman like being comfortable. Woman like when you tell or when I lie, then when you tell them something nice, because most of them have a bad day, you know. Sometimes some woman will see some woman that will half a tree walk up and down. Then I want to go home. Because they go home to a boring life. So they rather walk off a tree, go at the plaza and do eye shopping till in the night. You see them walk go home. I walk slow because they don't want to reach home because life boring. All the man don't make them cook, clean. When him look them, when I look at woman, you know, tell us, when I look at woman, same way you look at her and get her, you have to continue with the same procedure there. You have to make sure she feels special. Same thing we tell her from them time, you have to tell her in the long run. She cook her in the kitchen, just go in and grab her up and say, John, no, I'm lucky, you know. Can't bless them get to, you know. You see me? Tell her them thing there. Play in her ear. Take out things out her ear when it not dead. You see me? Take off things off her clothes and I brush her off and nothing not dead. Yes, I brush her off and she say, look at what upon her. You see me? Them way there. Move her ear and part it and play with her eyebrow, play with her ears tip. You see me draw her over her lip and make she feel special. She look in herself and say, you know, that youth are full of love and compassion, you know. You see me? Because she question herself, you know. Remember, she have question certain things. Grab her up and say, yo, baby, you really have. You see me? Tell her all of them things, man. Some man not tell the woman things. Go in, be a cousin. Where you come from? Where you go? Tell her, say, yo, I say, just a baby. You make clothes look good. Watch it. You have one your yard clothes and you make them look like they're new. Some you don't know them things they not tell no man things before then get the girl. All things done. Compliment done. Loving done. Hugging up done. Kissing up done. Play with the girl. Call her work after she eat. Why you eat it, baby? Even if I joke, I make call her and say, babe, you eat? Boy, I should have been near him to buy you something. You see me? Spend time. You see me? That's all it take, you know. Woman don't really want nothing, you know. Don't care how much money you want, how much money you have. She want the comfort. You see me? Come for work, rub her foot. Wash it. If she wash off her foot, just rub some lotion and rub her foot. Rub between her toe. Rub her foot, but to massage it and make she drop asleep. When she wake up, fry some fritters. Fry some fritters, a nice little fritters, and give her some little appetizer. You see me? If not much of the day, set it. You see me? All of them things there, if you play the game, you have to play a game right. When I'm gonna give a bun, hey, when I'm gonna give a bun, I the wickedest thing, you know. Ain't how much bun me get still, and me know, you know. But here what? Me now go fight them on the bun, you know. Cause me have a girl, you know, that give me bun, you know. See me? Yes, I see the first one a girl me have and she give me bun, she come with a icky on her neck. I say, hello, what that for your neck? She tell me say her ear rub on her neck. And she think I something there and she rub it. You see me? But I say, look like you use comb and a comb it out. I say, no, I rub it. And treat a scratch me, I continue to rub it. Say, oh, say all you know. But here, I not fight no girl, you know. Whole heap of bun me give woman, but them nah know. But so when them a give a bun, hey, me get some bun from some bare face girl, you know, man. When them a give a bun, them bare face. You see me? And when me a give back bun, wicked thing. Cause me there, you know, say, me a girl in the bed. And a man call her. See? She don't want to answer the phone. I say, hello, your phone a ring, you know. She say, make it ring, whoever want me will call back. I say, no man, answer your phone, man. Phone stop. Phone ring again. I say, answer the phone. She answer the phone. Hello? The person asks her a question. Like the person that say, are you alone there? Yeah. But I read between the lines, you know. Your man there. So I make it, you know, I read up what the man who that say, you know. So when I can see you, I know some I don't know. We don't know when that is possible. And you see when she do that, I have a rage in me, you know. But I work with her because I say, oh, you know, she will make the wrong mistake, man, and go say the wrong thing, man. But she play her game right. You see, I know exactly what the man say. So the man say, oh, so you try come tomorrow or something. And I don't know, me make you know. But you not hear female voice, now she say that, you know, but I read what you must say. So, she say, and me make you know tomorrow. So, if anything, me call you and make you know. And she hang up. So I say, I want a man that call. No, I know some co-worker and I find out if I come to work tomorrow and blah. I say, yeah man, everything good, man. Yo, man, tell you, say, oh, it wicked. Whole heap of man. Right now, one of my brethren I get born. Right now, one of my brethren I get born. And the wickedest thing is 2 weeks. 2 weeks now, I'm a pressure and girl for some sex and she nah give him. See me, cause I say, oh, you know, say a relationship mash up. Cause you see, when a girl nah say what you say now, she avoid the yard. Cause you can't have your woman and she not come in the yard for 2 weeks. You see me? So when you call her and she says she can't come now, problem. If a woman start out and everything good and all after a sudden she say, oh, you hear me? I can't come, I can't link it tonight and I can't link it tomorrow. She'll find pure excuse. Bun. She used to come there, come link you all certain time. She not come, bun. She used to come every time you call her and say, oh, you hear me? Come check me. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and she move. And she say, alright. After a while, you start calling her, she can't come now, she have something to do. Bun. New man there. You see me? It always come down to that. When a woman tired of you. Because she go find out say, yo, you not do this again. You not do that again. You see me? She go find all type of excuse. Oh, you used to do this and you not do it again. You see me? So I said that. No, the sweet part of life. Hey, woman no want no sweet part in her life. Although as much as them you give them some money, no care where you give them, them can't satisfy, them always want, You see me? You could have give them the next, you could have give them the world. No, alright. A man with money. A man with money can't please him woman. You see me? Because him have the money, but him not have the comfort figure. Him a feed her, him a clothe her, but in every relationship, something short, You see me? Because if I give her the money and he not give her the time of day, she go cheat. Him a feed her, him a clothe her, him a shelter her. A man without money, I go take her. You see me? Because him have the comfort. He must spend more time with her. He must call her up on the phone and I ask her, I say, yo, how is your day? The man with the money not have time for that, Because when he want more money for fee money, so he not have time to spend with the woman. He not go cook here, He go want take out. Because he have the money. You see me? She don't want that. She want some home cooked meal. Like, something where she want, where him look after, whether it's spoiled or not. Should the effort that she want. She want to know, say, yeah, him put out the effort. So, at the end of the day, him look after that. He might go buy KFC, he might go buy Island Grill, he might go buy Taco Bells, he might go buy all of them something there. She don't want that. She want time. Him and her prepare. She do something, she blend up some juice and him then in the kitchen. That she want. Man with the money, nah, me don't man happy. Me use my bicycle and take a man girl with money, Proof on that. The man a give her everything because me and her lay down in the bed. And she look at me and she say, Anjo, I'm going to show you something. You see me? Because I not have to talk to you, Because when I go talk to you, the man will say, a bicycle you ride. You see me? And the man who I talk to, give me anything I want. And she say, alright, I'm going to prove it to you. She take up her phone and she dial and she say, watch this. And the person answer the phone. She say, I'm broke, I can't get $150,000. The man say, alright, give me a couple of minutes. And she did that. She said, so may I tell you, I could have asked her 200. And I say, is that easy? She said, yeah, when you're done, put on your clothes and me go collect it. I say, alright, when you're done. And me, she spend some of my money upon. Because she say, yo, you want a sneakers? And she buy me a sneakers out there. Because she say, me get the money easy. Because him have the money not spend. She say, one time a week. She see him. See me? Because she say, like him there with a big woman. And she say, oh, him not no time for her. So one time he call her. When I call her, she just say, hello. Him come at the yard and spend an hour with her. Him always busy. Him always in a east to go away. In a spare time now, he want to check her and them. Do a little half an hour thing. She say him don't even strong and him have him money. And me will ride the bicycle, I fit like a figure. You see me? So, me use my bicycle now, I have she. You see me? So, when we are go around, she say, boy, she not have to do nothing to get money. Because him have the money, him not spend no time with her. Him not do this and him not do that. So me spend the time with her, I cook. Because the first time I carry her to my yard, And she said she wants something to eat. I said, what you want? She said she want bun and cheese. I said, no man, you're mad man. I said, you like cook. How was the night I cook? So she said, what you gonna do? I said, I cook something man. I said, what you want? She said, anything. I said, alright, I get some banana and some flour and Irish and cook some stew chicken. She said, yeah. But she said, go and sleep and when I'm done, I wake her up. 2 fire quick that done. Wake her up. buy 2 orange juice and me and I sit in and eat and we chat. Fall in love. Me and her spar. You see me? But what she can't take the vibes that I have my woman and my woman want time with me. And she say, yo, me if I left my woman. And I say, no, I can't do that. Because I talk to a man and I talk to my woman. So I can't left my woman just so for no reason at all. She say, yo, I can't take care of you, man. I say, no, I want to be independent. I want to look out for my thing myself. So I say, so I could just go and do this on a level. See me? Don't ask me to do what I don't want to do. See me? So we deal, reason. So money don't make a relationship good. You see me? So you have to just balance the thing, deal with the woman on a level, make sure she's happy. Call her as I say. Tell her the things them. See me? So you don't know the things that already.